This is another station. It's called Sanam Chai. Sanam Chai is in Thai mean like the field, the battlefield of victory. Okay, and when you step out of subway, is the decoration. The whole thing looks like this. Okay, is decoration as a theme of Thailand. Very beautiful. You will see the structure of the Thailand design. Okay, which is very newly built. All right, just like you walk into the old town way back as of Ayutthaya. Ayutthaya is the capital of Thailand back in the 300 years ago. And we actually walk in the subway station of Sanam Chai in Thailand. Check it out. You don't have time? Come and see it yourself. Thailand always has something to offer.